guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like sour inspired text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text, add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in sour, but you have to do this like one by one. So select the font first, and then you're going to leave the color of your text, or you can change it. It's up to you. Add in a background, and here's where you can change the colors into like a lot of like colors. Wait, yeah, the background into like pieces like that. That's what I meant, sorry. Adjust the height and width if you'd like to as well. Just going to leave it and copy and paste it, and then change the text here, and then again change the color of it, and then copy and paste that. You can also like rotate it just to add in like some like fun effect to it, I guess. Then I'm going to change the color of that as well. Then let's copy and paste that for the like last time. And I'm going to rotate it the other way. You can also like change the size of the text as well if you'd like to. Then I'll just add in like this color. Just also going to select everything and like place it in the middle. And here you can also adjust the font size, but maybe like scale it instead later when you put everything together. Then what I like to do is I go to effects, and I like to add in like these folds on top of the text. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and then go and put this on the main track. Go to canvas, go to style, and I like to add in this as the background, but it's totally up to you. Here you can also animate the text as well, like that. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.